Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you about the mole concept. This topic is mole concept for class ninth in chemistry. We know about the mole is the SI unit of the amount of substance. We understand it in higher classes. There are seven fundamental physical quantities: length, mass, time, temperature, current, luminous intensity, and amount of substance. So amount of substance is also a physical quantity, fundamental physical quantity, which SI unit is mole. So we discuss about the mole means gram atomic mole, gram molecular mole, Avogadro's mole, particles or ions. So here first of all we explain about the gram atomic mole means the atomic mass of the n atom of element is known as gram atomic mole. The atomic mass of an atom of an element is called gram atomic mole. For example, the atom of oxygen O, which mass is 16 AMU per gram. So atomic mass of oxygen, atom of oxygen which mass is 16 AMU or 16 gram. So 16 gram is the gram atomic mole of one atom of oxygen. Second, gram molecular mole. Gram molecular mole. Gram molecular mole, understand about it. We understand about the gram molecular mole means when the molecular mass of one molecule of element or compound is called its gram molecular mole. You understand clearly what the mass of the one molecule of element, mass of the one molecule of an element or one molecules of the compound is known as its gram molecular mole. For example, the molecules of nitrogen which is denoted by N2 and its molecular mass is 14 to the 28 AMU or gram. So this is known as gram molecular mole for one molecule of the nitrogen. Molecular mole of water. Molecular mole of water is what is as 2 means here 2 plus 16 gram 2 plus 16 gram is equal to 18 gram. So molecular mole of the one molecules of water is 18 gram. It is known as molecular mass of the compound. Now we shall discuss about the Avogadro's also given. The Avogadro's particles moles means when the any atom of element or molecules of the element or compound which have always the 6.022 into 10 to power 23 particles ions or here moles, Avogadro's moles. So now we shall discuss about the formula for the find the number of moles. So there are 6 formulas are there. You can find here. This is the here first a small n is equal to a small m divided by capital M. Here n represents a small n represents the number of mole. Number of moles. A small m is given mass. Small m represents given mass. Capital M is molecular mass of an element or molecules, molecular mass. So here n is equal to m by m. Then second formula, a small m is equal to a small n into capital N. Third formula, this is the capital M is equal to a small m by a small n. So this is the we can find the number of moles when the given mass of the atom of element or molecular mass. For example, the 80 gram of the given mass of the oxygen of one molecules of the oxygen. 80 mass of the given the molecules of the oxygen. Then what is the number of moles of it? So here n is equal to given mass is 80 gram and molecular mass of the oxygen is what? Oxygen is O2 32 gram. Then here 16 2 32, 16 5 80. Then we get here 5 by 2 means 2.5 moles of oxygen. So we can use this formula also when we know about the number of moles and molecular moles. Then we get the given mass. When we know the given mass and number of moles, then we get the molecular mass of the element or molecular mass of the compound. Now another formula is also here. This is the fourth formula. A small n is equal to capital N by n naught. Capital N by n naught. Here n means given particles. N naught means Avogadro's particles. Avogadro's particles. So we can, when we know about the given particles of the an element or compound and Avogadro's particles are known, then we get also the number of moles of these elements. So here fourth, fifth, given particles is equal to number of mole into Avogadro's particles, and 6 is n naught is equal to capital M by a small n. So we can understand about this formulas for the mole concept, then we get the value of the number of moles given mass, molecular mass, or number of moles or given particles or Avogadro's particles. So this is we can explain about the mole concept or formulae for the mole concept. Thank you.